Reading the word yawn might actually make you yawn. And no, it doesn't happen just because you're tired. Contagious yawning is a form of social contagion. Sometimes, just seeing someone yawn, hearing it, or even thinking about it can trigger your own yawn. The most interesting hypothesis? Your brain may interpret that yawn as a social signal and automatically imitate it. Some scientists link this to mirror neurons, a system that helps us reflect what we see in others. But science still doesn't have a final answer.